So here's something you should know about stitching lettering on the Husqvarna Viking Designer Brilliance 80. So when you have 4 letters on screen, like I have right now, you will notice that it will show you 4 different colors. That means it will stop after each letter. And when it does, you're like, gosh, why didn't it keep going? Well, that's because you still had the stop on. So if you want it to be all one color, you can do the monochrome choice right here, or you can, which actually turn the stop off, or you could just reach up here and turn the light off. So if you just want it to stitch through, once it's gray, that means it won't stop in between each of the colors, but if that's on, it will stop after every one.